అర్బన్ ప్రాంతాల్లోని మధ్యతరగతి ప్రజలకు చౌక ధరలకే ఇళ్ల స్థలాలు ఇవ్వడానికి ప్రభుత్వం ప్రయత్నిస్తోందన్నారు సీఎం వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి. ఇందుకోసం పట్టణాలు, నగరాల్లో కనీసం 150 ఎకరాలు సేకరించాలని కలెక్టర్లను ఆదేశించారు. లేఅవుట్స్లో సీసీ రోడ్లు, ఫుట్పాత్లు, అలాగే అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ డ్రైనేజ్, పార్కులు, వాకింగ్ ట్రాక్స్, స్మార్ట్ బస్ స్టాప్లు ఉండేలా చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని స్పష్టం చేశారు. ఎంఐజీ 1లో 150 చదరపు గజాలు, ఎంఐజీ 2లో 200 గజాలు, ఎంఐజీ 3లో 240 గజాల కింద ప్లాట్స్ ఇవ్వాలని చెప్పారు ముఖ్యమంత్రి. అలాగే ఏప్రిల్ నెలలో చేపట్టనున్న సంక్షేమ కార్యక్రమాలు, పథకాల క్యాలెండర్ను సీఎం జగన్ ప్రకటించారు.
The collectors would have to focus on the procurement of land. And I think we've also come up with the demand survey where municipal department, municipal commissioners have been authorized to conduct a demand survey in the ULBs and Nagar Panchayats to do a preliminary study for assessing the demand for MIG plots through ward secretariats. This is one important aspect where collectors would have to take a review with the municipal corporations, with the commissioners there to assess the demand, then go in for a procurement of land based on the demand. Municipal commissioners are requested to furnish reports daily on demand for MIG plots. We would be developing 3 kinds of plots there. Which will have 150 square yards plots, then MIG2 which will have 200 square yards plots, and MIG3 which will also have 240 square yards plots. So you will have 3 sections. One section MIG1 which will deal with 150 square yards, MIG2 which will deal with 200 square yards, MIG3 which will deal with 240 square yards. So these plots would be available for sale at affordable rates, wherein government will not take any profit in these things, where the property also would be litigant-free property. These are the 2 things that we are going to emphasize on.
స్పందన ద్వారా వచ్చిన ఫిర్యాదులను 100% పరిష్కరించేలా అధికారులు చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని ఆదేశించారు ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి. కలెక్టర్లు, జాయింట్ కలెక్టర్లు ఈ అంశంపై తరచూ సమీక్షలు చేపట్టాలని ఆయన చెప్పారు.
My request to the collectors are not only these 4 requests, but the entire 540 services also you need to focus on. Are we giving within the stipulated time frame or not? That is the challenge that we are facing. And we need to make sure that we deliver within the stipulated time frame. Why 95% is the question what I asked. Be it rice card, be it pension card, be it house side, be it Arogyasri card. Why should it be the case where only 95% are resolved within the time frame? Why not 100%? Please make sure that we get 100% score. I do not want, after revising this, I do not want any complaints which say that even after this we have not received. That should not be the outcome. So please make sure that we get to this 100% mark. Collectors and joint collectors should regularly review this. Only then things will fall in place. It is very, very important that you at your level periodically, regularly review this. In fact, CMO is going to review with the collectors every Thursday. Please make a note of this day, because this is the day when CMO directly would review this along with Grammar Secretariat and Ward Secretariat Secretary every Thursday, so that every alternate Tuesday when we meet up for Spandana, we also are sure that these things are happening as per plan. There is no breach of the SLA. So we are properly addressing the issues. It's very important that the kind of focus that needs to be applied to needs to be put up there.
నాడు నేడు పథకం కింద ప్రభుత్వ పాఠశాలలో చేపట్టిన అభివృద్ధి పనులు ఏప్రిల్ 15 నాటికి పూర్తవ్వాలని స్పష్టం చేశారు ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి. 2వ దశ నాడు నేడు పనులు నెలాఖరికల్లా ప్రారంభించాలని చెప్పారు. ఆ మేరకు జిల్లా అధికారులు చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని నిర్దేశించారు.
Very important aspect is by April 15th kalla all the schools-lo మొత్తం works, including the painting, that is the only thing what is left out, will be completed. Ani education secretary is reassuring me. Towards this month end, we will dedicate the entire 15,715 first phase schools to the people, and we will start the second phase of Nadu Nedu schools towards this month end. In the meanwhile, what I am requesting, what I'd like to request all the collectors is, constitute one third party inquiry by SERP, self-help groups though, so that they visit every school, they give you a report as to Nadu Nedu programs law, is everything done or not. Just in case something is just missed out in some school here and there, we can also make sure that focus is put so as to make sure that everything is done by the time we launch the second phase, the end of April, so that we also can be doubly sure that we've done everything is properly put in order, everything is in order.